Hello, I am Daria Potapkina, lawyer of the company Rosco Consulting and Audit. According to FSB statistics, the number of foreigners entering increased by 17% over the first quarter of 2023 to just over 3 million entries compared. That's why a system for issuing electronic visas to foreign nationals has been launched through Russia, acting for convenience and to save time. We will tell you about all the nuances of obtaining an electronic visa in our new video. Don't switch. First, just subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want to receive exclusive legal advice, actual cases and various instructions. Don't miss the chance to become a legal expert. Subscribe now and expand your legal horizons.
Why did they decide to issue e-visas to foreigners?
You should know that a foreign guest who has come to Russia to visit friends on a tourist voucher or to take part in sport competition doesn't need to present supporting documents like invitation, voucher or another one. To apply for an electronic visa, you need just to log onto a specialized portal or mobile application and fill in just one application form no earlier than 40 and no later than 4 days before the planned trip. However, if a foreigner wants to visit Russia in order to develop business here, then things will be different. Business visa gives a non-resident the full right to conduct entrepreneurial activity in our country. In this case, it's necessary to fill out for more than one application, and Rosco can accompany you in the execution of complex documentation and help you get not only an invitation to enter, but also the visa itself. For assistance from our experts, call the number listed on the website or leave an online inquiry via the contact form. Catch YouTube Rosco promo code, which will give you a 15% discount on our services. All contacts can be found in the description of this video.
Who can get an e-visa and for what period?
The list of states whose citizens can obtain an online visa includes 55 countries. People who live in countries in Europe, the Middle East and Asia will be able to visit Russia. The list also includes states unfriendly to Russia. According to the head of the Consular Department of the Foreign Ministry, the authorities decided not to exclude the European Union states from the list. Only citizens from unfriendly countries with official or diplomatic passports will be an exception. They will not be able to issue an electronic visa. It's possible to cross the Russian state border through 92 checkpoints. You can enter the country through airports as well as railway, road and sea checkpoints. The single electronic visa is valid for 60 days. You are allowed to stay on the territory of the Russian Federation for 16 days, which includes 2 days for crossing the border back and forth. If you are wondering how to get a visa with the possibility to stay in Russia longer, then watch this video. Please be aware that an electronic visa is a paid service. It will cost $40 for adults, but children under 6 years old are free of charge. In order to get an electronic visa, you need to go to the official website of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of the Russian Federation or install a phone app. You need to register there. To do this, you need to enter your email address and password. You will need this information to log in your personal account. Afterwards, read the text of the conditions of the electronic visa essentials. Agree to the processing, transfer and storage of the information specified in the application, as well as consent to receive automatic electronic emails to the registered email address. Then go to the page and fill in the application. Afterwards, don't forget to check the corrections of the specified information. They must fully coincide with the passport information. Then, following the prompts, you need to pay the consular fee. Be careful, only those applications that have been paid will be accepted for processing. The consular fee will not exceed $52 and $2 for children under 6 years old. After that, a notification about the essentials of an electronic visa will be sent to the email account specified during registration. The status of its processing can be monitored on the website through your personal cabinet. You must print out the notice on a printer or save it in your phone. You will need to show the notice when boarding the transport. You will also need to show the notification to a Russian border guard officer when you pass passport control at a border crossing point. Thus, the essence of unified electronic visas for foreigners will simplify the procedure for obtaining an entry document and save time in passing through customs. Thanks to agreements on visa-free group travel with Iran and China, the tourist flow of citizens of these countries is expected to increase, and the introduction of single electronic visa will significantly speed up customs control and their entry into Russia. I am glad you have watched this video till the end. I am Daria Potapkina. If you have any questions, feel free to drop, and Rosco lawyers will kindly answer them. And of course, subscribe to our channel. Stay in touch, stay with Rosco.